In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create link triggers in Flodesk, focusing on setting up a Flodesk workflow effortlessly. Let's walk through each step together to ensure you get the most out of your Flodesk account. First things first, you'll want to log into your Flodesk account if you haven't already. Once you're in, head over to your dashboard. On the main screen of your Flodesk account, you want to focus on the area labeled Workflows. Click there to get started, as this is where all the magic happens when it comes to automation. Next up, creating a new workflow is crucial to setting a structure that suits your needs. Inside the Workflows section, you'll find an option labeled Create Workflow. Click on this to start crafting your personalized automation sequence. You'll be prompted to set a trigger, which is a defining part of any Flodesk workflow. For our purposes today, select the option labeled Someone Subscribes Through a Form. This choice tells Flodesk to initiate your workflow whenever someone new subscribes using one of your forms. It's a fantastic way to keep things automatic and hands-off. While you're working on your email inside the workflow, it's time to dive into adding that all-important link. Find the spot in your email where you want to include a link or a button. This link will serve as the catalyst, setting off the entire workflow whenever someone clicks on it. It's essential to be clear and strategic about the placement and wording of this link, as it should entice your subscribers to click it. Once the link is in place, setting up what will happen next is key. Decide on the action or sequence of actions that you want to happen following a click. This is where you can get creative, whether by sending follow-up emails, updating lists, or any other actions you find beneficial. Testing is crucial in ensuring everything is functioning seamlessly, so send yourself a test email that includes this link. Click through the process yourself, watching out for any hitches or mishaps that might occur along the way. Finally, once you're confident that everything is set up correctly and running smoothly, it's time to activate the workflow. Turning on your workflow means that all actions you've set will automatically trigger whenever anyone clicks on your prepared link. With this activation, your setup is complete and your Flodesk automation is live, ready to operate seamlessly in the background. I hope you found this guide helpful in creating effective link triggers in Flodesk. Don't forget that practice makes perfect, and the more you play around with these features, the more adept you'll become at automating your email campaigns. Thanks for tuning in and happy automating.